if I get any kind of hike, that will be a bonus to me. And I think that all credit goes to the Intellipaat because they have taught me so well.
Hello Abhijit, I'm Shweta from Digital Marketing Team.
Hi Shweta.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good too. Please tell us about your background and skill sets.
My name is Abhijit and I've worked in Cipla for two years. And after that, I've worked with Godrej for 1.5 years. And the skill set that I've learned from these two industries are mainly MS Office and CRM.
Okay. What was your objective of the training?
In my last service with Godrej, I've experienced that through sales and marketing profile, I was doing conventional marketing. So the world is moving towards the digitalization part. So to increase my skill set, I should have that digital marketing background and digital marketing information and knowledge. For that, I've opted for this course.
Okay, that's nice. How did you find that course material?
Course materials were really very good because I have an MBA background. It is very easy for me to get through the initial part. But if anyone who is not from any marketing background, even he will find it very easy to go through the courses. It is so easy for them, and it is so well balanced and well planned.
Okay. How did you find our trainers?
Trainers were very good, starting from the marketing part. They have explained the marketing part and the Excel and then the SEO part. They have explained everything in a very nice way.
Which feature of Intellipaat's course you like the most?
Feature, if I have to choose one, that will be the interaction between the teachers and the students during the class. I think that is the most important part, because if we don't get to interact, then the doubts that we have, those doubts will never get sorted out. I think that is the most important part, and that every teacher and every instructor has held the session so well that we never had any doubt after the class at least.
So after completing the course, was your objective fulfilled?
Yeah, definitely. I think my objective was to become a digital marketer and to have a course that a span of 6 months. During this span of 6 months, I've learned a lot from Intellipaat, and I think my objectives have been fulfilled in a quite good way.
Oh, that's really nice to hear. So after completing the course, what major change has happened in your career?
After completing my course, I thought I have hand-on experience on the tools that we use for digital marketing, whatever you call it, whether it is SEMrush, whether it is FRUF, or whatever you call it. We have a good knowledge about the tools and hands-on experience and how to use that and how to improve our digital marketing profile. I mean, whenever I will be working in any company, these are the basics and these are the pillars to get to know and get to have a better knowledge and get to optimize the work that I will be doing with the company.
So the question was, is there any special incident which you like to share with us?
Yeah, definitely. They have given us an assignment, and that was on marketing. So that assignment was related to giving a PowerPoint presentation. So that PowerPoint presentation, while giving the PowerPoint presentation, that was okay with me. But after that, the teacher and the instructor, they have instructed me how to do the PowerPoint presentation in a better way. I think that I have learned from an online platform from Intellipaat. That was very encourageable for me.
Okay. Would you like to recommend Intellipaat's course to your friends and family?
Yeah, definitely. I would recommend I've already recommended 2 to 3 people about Intellipaat, and I think being my friend, one or two people will definitely join the courses of Intellipaat.
Okay. And all the best for your career.
Thank you very much, Shweta.